Hey guys, Ryan here. I'm going to show you how to set up the umbrella. Pack it securely so when it gets to your place, you're not going to have any issues. In the box, we have the setup and user guide, 6-volt power supply, umbrella final, 4 fan guards, and attachment screws, protective cover, bottom pole, umbrella canopy. Okay, first step is we're going to take the bottom pole and the umbrella canopy. We're going to attach the power cord that's coming out of both of them together, twisting it to lock it. Then we insert the power cord down. You can still see the top of it here. And then we screw the bottom pole into the canopy. Next, take your final and screw it into the top. Now your umbrella is ready to be set in its base. First, place the power supply over the top and insert the umbrella. Now we're going to attach the power supply. Plug in the small cable and then you screw it together to lock it. Before we plug the umbrella into an outlet, we're going to open it and attach the fan guards. So to open it, just slightly pull the ribs out, and then you're going to pull on the opening rope until the canopy is fully extended. Then insert the pin to lock it in place. Then you can coil up the rope to get it out of the way. Now we're going to attach the automatic fan guards. So you can see this part has a sliding piece and this part has the rope coming out the end. The rope is going to be facing outwards. Place the fan guard into the slot and then place your screw into the hole on the side. Screw in tightly, and now we're going to do it for the second screw. Now we take the string and snap it onto the outer rib. Complete attaching all 4 fan guards, as you can see here. Now, plug your umbrella in. Any power between 80 and 220 volts is acceptable. Now, to use the umbrella, you simply press the button. The fan is going to turn on a low speed, that's about 1,000 RPM. Press it a second time, 1,500 RPM, then a third time for 2,000 RPM and maximum airflow. When you hit the button a 4th time, the fan's going to turn off and lock into position. We have 4 fans with 4 buttons, so each fan is individually controlled. The fast charging ports are sealed with their waterproof covers. To close the umbrella, hold the rope firmly, remove the pin, and then slowly let it down. If a fan is still running, it will automatically turn off. The fan guards will automatically close. Once it's all the way down and the umbrella is fully closed, secure it with the 2 straps. If you're storing your umbrella for a long period of time, you use the cover. Simply place it over the top, pull it down, and then you zip it down. That's it. As you can see, pretty simple, but if you have any issues, any problems, please reach out. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.